Well students, this is engineer Rahul Liloriya from Creators Zone Design Solution. Today's our first class in Staad Pro. So we will proceed according to the syllabus. The first part of syllabus is modeling. In modeling, we will create a model that is frame structure in Staad Pro. So proceed for modeling. Click on new project. Then space, name of project, that is file name. Suppose it is our G plus 1 structure. Then set units for length, meter, and also for force, kilonewton. Then next, add beam, finish. There will be a grids. This is our Y direction, this is our X direction. There are total number of divisions in Y direction 10 and in X direction 10. Click on edit. This is your XY plane. Click on XZ plane. Here spacings 1 meter and number of divisions 10. You can increase divisions like this and decrease divisions like this. Then OK. Then create a beam of plan 3 meter. Click 3 meter and also create a beam in Z direction, length 4 meter. This is 3, then 4. Escape. Again draw a beam plan by using snap node beam. Double click on snap node beam, 4 meter, then 4 meter, then 4 meter. Escape. Then what is the use of different cursors? Select node cursor and select all the nodes. If you will use node selection cursor, then only nodes will be selected. If you will use beam selection cursor, then only beams will be selected. Add 4 noded flat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here plat means slab. Use plat selection cursor. Select plats. For columns, you can use node selection cursor, then select all nodes. Then after, click on translational, repeat global Y direction, that is your global direction. default is step spacing -3 for downward columns. If you will use -3, then columns will be created in downward direction. Then link step, then OK. This is our isometric view. Then after, click on geometry, then general, then supports. For structure, supports are very important elements. Create supports, fix support, add, then click supports, go in view from positive Z. By using north selection cursor, select all supports, then view in isometric, then assign to selected nodes. Then after, you have to choose section of beam and columns and also thickness of slab. For sections, click on geometry, then general, because this is our only line diagram. If we will see in 3D rendered view, here you will see only lines, not a rectangular sections, and also thickness of slab is 0. Close. Click on define, then choose section for columns. YD directions. For this direction, choose dimension 0.4. In ZD dimension, type 0.2, then add. This is our section for columns. For beams, replace this 0.4 by 0.3. Add. Then close. Also choose the thickness of slab. Click on thickness, flat element thickness 0.1 meter, that is 4 inches. Then after, you have to assign all sections and thickness of slab. Click on rectangle 0.4 cross 0.2. It is made of concrete material. Then select beams parallel to X. Select beams parallel to Z. Then assign to selected beam. Then select rectangle 0.3 cross 0.2. Select beams parallel to Y direction. Then assign to selected beams. Click on 3D rendered view. It will show dimensions of beams and columns. Close. Click on plate thickness, then use plate selection cursor. Select all the plates, then assign to selected plates. Click on any plate. 3D rendered view. Here thickness has been assigned. Close. Then again 3D render view. Then close. It will be our model structure, that is framed structure. You can create multi-story structure by using node selection cursor, beam selection cursor and geometry cursor. Thanking you.